Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader. It's Tuesday, July the 19th. These are the charts of the day. Well, the market had a spectacular day today. A lot of stocks that we followed had wonderful days, and one of them was AERL, Asia Entertainment and Resources, as several of the gambling stocks did well on reports of strong returns from Macau. Anyway, AERL, as you can see at the end of June, popped and flagged for a while. Now, 2 days ago, it gapped up through there, and then yesterday had a resting day. Today, extending and following up into the resistance zone between the 10 and 10 and 3/4 range. But my target is 12, 12 and a quarter short term. I believe we get there. Today's volume of 500,000 shares. Excellent. The stock was up 8.77% to 992, up 80 cents. So looking for more upside. AXAS, one of my favorite junior oils in the Bakken region, is moving again, and you can see this consolidation for the last 6-7 sessions. Today was broken today with a thrust, 62 cents, 14%. 5.1 million shares. That's the biggest volume in about 3-4 weeks. So very good stuff. Looking for a test of the 520 and 529 area. And through that, the stock can make a move to reach the February highs up around 615. Caribou Coffee, along with JVA, had good days today. Caribou, after this falling wedge developed, popped for 87 cents or 7% today and 444,000 shares. Top of the channel target at 16.5. And that'll be our short-term trading target. CLNE, after popping with two big gaps last week, had a big down day 3 days ago, but then you can see how quiet and narrow it's gotten here near the apex of its wedge. Today up 41 cents to close at 16 on 2 million shares. Looks like it may be beginning another new move. Look for a test of the 17 and a quarter range. Beyond that, up around 19. FTK, a very, very nice session. Yesterday popped out. Today followed through beautifully, up 73 cents or almost 8%. 2.25 million shares, 2.4 million, almost 2.5 million. That's the heaviest volume in about 3 weeks. So this could be a breakout day today, and we're looking for a move that takes it to the 12.5 area, then followed by 14.25, 14.5. Another junior energy stock, FX Energy, broke out today, up 65 cents or almost 7%. Nearly a million traded, the biggest volume in about 6 weeks, breaking it out of this 2-week flag with the target now at 12. GLNG, GLNG, formed a little wedge here, a coil for the last 6-7 sessions, broke out today by popping $1.50. It gets through in 39.90. We can see the stock at 43 short term, 47.8 in immediate term. HNSN broke out of a coil today, bullish pattern, popped 44 cents or 10%, 3.4 million traded as volume increased to the heaviest in the week. Wouldn't be shocked to see the stock take out the 495 area and make it up to my target around 6.25. ICAgen, despite the pullback off the rally high of 840 today, closing it at 775, down 15 cents, still has a bullish flag type configuration, and we may very well see the stock extend. I'm looking for a 10 short term. JVA had a nice extension, did back off the high today, but still up $1.84, 8.5% on 2.3 million. Bouncing off the internal trend line here and the 21-day moving average, we very well may see this thing extend back up to retest the 30 area. So look for something around 28 to 30 short term. Big stock of the day today was NEWN, advancing 71%, 5 million shares, jumping $1.63 to 393. Big pop, but it got it right up to that resistance zone I had penciled in. And although it had a good close, it did back off that area. So at this point, we're going to wait to see whether or not we're going to get an extension. But I would look for a pullback retrace for maybe an entry point. ONTY broke out of a bull coil over the last 3-4 weeks. This pattern today was completed with the pop of 79 cents or almost 10%, 2.1 million shares. That's the biggest volume in about 3.5 weeks. Should test the 9.5, 960 zone, but my intermediate target is around 12. Another junior oil that had a big day, petroquest PQ, popped 832 up $1.17 or 16%, 2.5 million traded. Looks like it not only took out the declining tops line, but 50-day moving average and lateral price resistance from this high, and at this point, and close right at that rebound high. But I'm looking for a move now to the 9.25, 9.75 zone. Next target on PQ at petroquest. Volcano, one of our swing trades, had a good day, up 75 cents today on 500,000 shares. Looks like it's going to test and take out the earlier July high and run up into my 36 to 38 zone trading target up next on Volcano. WPRT, wanted to point this out because a 5-day beautiful bull flag just underneath key resistance is forming with volume and technicals looking great. I think this breaks out above 28.05 and runs into the low and then mid-30s. XPO today popped 11 cents, just 3%, but it may be coming out of this little pullback consolidation with a target now at 4.5, up next. And finally today, XTXI, another junior oil, one of our swing trades, popping 70 cents to new multi-year highs, and at this point, right at key resistance. If this is broken, I'm looking for a move to 15 short term. And that's it for tonight. Have a good evening.